morning, everybody. I am at Walgreens. Sorry, my voice is a little, I have like a cold, but not in my nose, just in my throat. I have my hot chocolate, but I am at Walgreens right now, and I'm excited to share with you guys some great deals. There's a lot of personal care deals. There's a lot of deals of the week, which means you have to do them in separate transactions because of certain ways. I am working on a Walgreens 101 video, a newly updated, explains everything. So be prepared for that when I get it posted. But like I said, there's IBOTTA deals, there's personal care deals. All of a sudden I can't speak. But let's go inside, and it's starting to snow, so that's great. So let's go inside and have some fun shopping. So here was a deal that I was super excited for. I get to the store and it all messed up my thing. So we have the Olay body wash for $7, and we also have the Old Spice body wash for $7. Now we currently have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that you guys want to use. You'll end up paying just $16 for 3 of them. This is a deal of the week, so just giving you guys a heads up. But if you buy a certain scent of the Olay, you actually get a $2 IBOTTA rebate. My store only has one, and it is the age defying. Otherwise, they have the argan oil and the cocoa butter, but my store does not have it, so I'm only getting just the one Olay. And then they also have a deal for Old Spice, but I did scan all of these Old Spices. My app is not working correctly, but there is a bunch of Old Spice rebates that you guys can use. Like, I type it in and it's not popping up, but I did scan a bunch of the Old Spice body washes. Now they're not showing up, and nothing is showing that it works, because here we got MVP, champion. So if you have the body washes, that's awesome, but if you don't, but anyway, so my store only has the one, so I'm going to get a $2 rebate with IBOTTA, and then you get a $5 register reward when you purchase the 3. So I will end up getting them for $9 or $3 each if you guys have that. If your store has 3 of the body washes of the Olays or any of the Old Spice, you will end up paying $16. You'll get $2 for Olay, $2 back for the Old Spice. You'll end up getting $6 back with IBOTTA, and that $5 register reward, making them $5 or just $1.66 each, which is a great deal. So it kind of sucks, but it's awesome too. So here's a great deal for Dove body wash. It is on sale for $7. You can get the Dove women's or the Dove men's. The bar soap is $9, so it depends on if you guys want that. But you're going to get 2 of the body washes. We currently have a 7 off of 2 digital coupon. You will pay $7, but then when you purchase the 2 of them, you'll end up getting a $4 cash rewards, making them just $3 or $1.50, which is a great deal. If you guys are an Essie fan, a lot of the nail polish is on clearance for $6.99 or $9.79. I've never used Essie nail polish, but pretty okay deal. We did have some digitals at one point, but I think they disappeared. But great deal if you guys need some. So here's the deal if you guys need this. My coupons are not popping up for the Oral-B or anything, but the Oral-B Super Floss is on sale for $4. Now we currently have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, and these are the ones that you can use with it. But you would end up paying $5, but then you get a $3 register reward, making this just $2 or $1 each if you guys want to go ahead and do that deal. So if you guys need the Men's Degree deodorant, it is $4.49 on sale for buy one, get one 50% off. Now we currently have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. You will end up just getting them for $3.73 or just $1.86 each if you guys need some deodorant. Here is a deal for some Old Spice deodorant. So these are 2 for $13, so it's like $6.50 each. You're gonna buy 3 of them. We currently have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that you guys will want to use. You will pay just $14.50. This is a deal of the week, so make sure you guys are checking that out. But you will get a $5 register reward for purchasing 3 of them. And then you also get a IBOTTA rebate for $1 back. There is a bonus, but it says you got to buy 3 different IBOTTA rebates, not 3 items. But we'll see when I submit my receipt. But you will get $3 back with IBOTTA, making your final price just $6.50 or $2.66 each, or $2.16 each, which is a pretty decent deal considering we don't hardly ever get this stuff, or I don't, but a pretty decent deal. Here is an awesome deal for Bulldog products. So these are $7.99. It is buy one, get one 50% off. There is a deal where if you buy 2, you get a $4 cash reward. Sorry, I'm just trying to see what it is. But anyways, you're going to get 2 of these at buy one, get one 50% off. We currently have a 7 off of 2 skincare products, and it does show that the body wash is included. I scrolled all the way down. But you will end up paying just $4.98. You will get that $4 cash rewards, making both of these just 98 cents or 49 cents each, which is a great deal. So here we have the Gillette Shave Cream for $3.79. It is on sale for buy one, get one 50% off. You will end up paying just $5.68 for both of these, but then you get a $4 register reward when you purchase 2 of these, making them $1.68 or 84 cents each. So here we have the Nature Valley snacks, 2 for $6. Now we currently have a 50% off of 2, so you guys will end up paying $5.50, but then there is IBOTTA rebates where you get 25 cents back. My family loves this one, so you get 25 cents back with this one. Here we have like some other ones where you get 50 cents back, so it all depends on what you guys want, but it could be an okay deal. So here we have the Coca-Cola Move. Now these are regular price 2 for $4. You guys want to buy 2 of them, you'll pay $4. But we currently have an IBOTTA rebate for $1 back, so you'll get a $2 back, making these just $1, which is a great price. My husband says they taste like a little hint of coconut in them, but for $1, we'll definitely grab them. Hello everybody, sorry for my voice. I have a scratchy voice. I thought it would improve, but it hasn't. But you'll hear me talk like I'm going through boy going through puberty. That's what it sounded like last night when the husband was making fun of me. But let's just dig in and I can share with you guys what I got. So I ended up getting that Coca-Cola, and I looked at my receipt and it did not ring up the price that it said. They actually are $2.59, and I didn't bother having my store change the price on me because number one, they were swamped, and number 2, it was just like whatever. But anyways, these were $2.59 according to the tag that was on the other side where I was filming, and so you would get these for $1.59. so it doesn't matter how many you buy, but my husband kind of liked them and he takes these to work, so just want to give you guys a little price update on this Move edition. But still, $1 rebate is still a great deal if you guys need to do that. Now I got 2 of the Nature Valleys. My husband and son eat these, so we got these for 2 for $6. Now I also had a deal with Fetch Rewards where if I spent $35 I got points. I'm like $3 away from that, so I'll definitely be hitting that soon. But these were 2 for $6. I had a 50% off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $5.50 for it, and then it just depends on what rebates you have. I had a 25-cent rebate for this one and a 50-cent rebate for this one, so ended up getting 75 cents back with IBOTTA, so it came out to be like $4.75 or something like that. But it's a pretty decent deal if you guys need some snacks. Then I ended up getting the Chex Mix. Now my son really likes the Gatorade peanut butter bars, whatever. He likes those, and so he tried these. He's like, oh, these taste just like it, because I've gotten the Gatorade ones from couponing in the past. But these again were 2 for $6 also. No digital coupon, but you'd pay $6 and then you get 75 cents back times 2, so you get $1.50 back, making these just $4.50 or $2.25. And there's 6 bars in here, so I got these for him to snack on also, so good deal with that. I ended up getting the Bulldog body wash, and I also got the face wash. Now these were $7.99 at buy one get one 50% off. I also had that 7 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay just $4.98, but then you get a $4 cash rewards, and you can pay with points with this deal, where it comes out to be just 98 cents or 49 cents each, which is a pretty great deal if you guys need to do that. I also got 3 of the Old Spice deodorants. Now that bonus did not work because I didn't get 3 individual rebates. My store didn't hardly have anything to choose from for body wash, but if you guys can score, definitely go for it. But anyways, you guys would get these for 2 for $13. They come out to be like $6.50 each. We currently have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. You would pay $14.50, but then you get a $1 IBOTTA rebate with a limit of 5, so you get $3 back with IBOTTA. Also, make sure you guys are submitting your receipt to the P&G rewards. You guys get points for that. And then you get a $5 register reward, making these $6.50 or $2.16. My register rewards did not print. I don't know why, but this is a deal of the week. So if you guys do this and the Olay / Old Spice deal, make sure you guys are doing these in separate transactions. But I saw this one. It's called Vanilla Notes. It's Oasis, and I was smelling it, and it smells pretty good for a men's deodorant. If I know some women do use men's deodorant, this actually smells really good. So I did like that. But for $2.16, it's an okay deal. If you guys need some deodorant, definitely try that out. So I also got the Degree men's deodorant for $4.49. These are buy one get one 50% off. You would want to use that 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $3.73 for this. But then that's all you get. It's either and then it comes out to be $1.86 each, which is an okay deal. There is a deal with Shopkick if you guys haven't done it yet, but you do get points for purchasing and scanning a product. I already did the deal last week or the week prior to that, so I didn't get anything, but definitely check your Shopkicks out. You guys can get some bonus points, and you also get bonus points through Fetch Rewards when you guys get this deal too, so pretty great deal. I ended up getting the Gillette shaving cream. These were $3.79 at buy one get one 50% off. You would pay $5.68 for it, and then you are supposed to get a $4 register reward, making this $1.68 or 84 cents. My register reward did not print off. I didn't have any register rewards print off. Nothing. I think the machine might have been down because there was nothing printing. No Catalinas, no ads, nothing. So I was thinking the machine was down, but they ended up just giving me points. But 84 cents. I'm going to tell you guys, if you guys like to smell like your grandpa, these are what this stuff smells like. I did try this doing Easter eggs one year, and I can't remember if it was a fail or not. I swear it was a fail, but, you know, you can make projects with this stuff, which is a pretty good deal. I wish they made one that wasn't so strong, but that's what you get. So, yes. Then I ended up doing the Dove body wash. The Dove body wash is $7. We currently have a 7 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $7 for this, but then you get $4 cash rewards, and this is a deal where you guys can pay with points, and these come out to be just $3 or $1.50 each, which is a pretty great deal for some body wash. Then I ended up getting the Olay body wash. Now my store only had this. For the IBOTTA rebate, it's only those 3 cents. You have to get specific cents. Okay, so make sure you guys are scanning it. And then also with the Old Spice, make sure you are scanning it. All the Old Spice that my store had did not work for any of the IBOTTA rebates. So anyways, if you guys can get these to work, these are $7 on sale. We currently have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. This is a deal of the week. So you have to make sure you pay attention to what other deals of the weeks are. But you would pay $16 for the 3 of them. And depending on what one you get, you'll get a $2 IBOTTA rebate times 3. So you get $6 back with IBOTTA. And then you get that $5 register reward, making them $5 or $1.66 each. Okay? Since my store didn't have any of the qualifying products, I ended up getting these for $9 or $3 each, but I get an employee discount, so I got them a little bit cheaper. So make sure you are scanning those products, you guys. I tried typing Old Spice in the app, and it kept saying error, error, error. But then when I go scrolling through it, it's there. So I don't know, but something was just kind of wonky this morning. Plus my store has all the body wash locked up, so I had to have somebody standing next to me while I'm scanning stuff, making sure everything was okay. But that was everything that I got. Like I said, it's a lot of personal care items today, which is totally fine. Definitely be checking out your clearance. A lot of that stuff got marked down even cheaper. My store is completely sold out of everything, but it was still a great deal. My total came to $53.15 for everything. I was supposed to get $14 of register rewards, but I ended up getting points instead because the machine was not working. For points, I ended up getting $15.50 back. We got that. IBOTTA, I ended up getting $9.35 back. Fetch rewards, I got 253 points, which is 25 cents. Oh yeah. And then my grand total came to $14.05. I got 20 items at 70 cents each. I paid with points for majority of my haul, and I did pay with register rewards, but that is not factored in my haul when I tell you guys what my total is. So it's an okay, I mean, it's definitely a great week to get a lot of personal care products if you guys need to stock up on that. You know what, I'm surprised it's been almost a whole month and I have not seen Colgate on sale. Like, usually we're always buying Colgate, and this is the first time I've never seen Colgate like on sale all month. And then Olay or Oral-B and Crest have been on sale, but just not how I want to get that stuff, so it's kind of wonky. And then there's a couple sales here and there, but it is almost the end of the month, so we will be seeing a new sale coming up soon, so definitely check that out when it does pop up. But if you guys enjoyed my video, please subscribe to my channel. Help me out. I help you guys out by saving money. Help me out by subscribing and liking this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. See you later. Bye-bye.